Good afternoon. Yesterday we studied about the first part of the village of Palampur, where we studied about the factors of production, land, labor, capital, and organization. Now, here in the second part, we will study about the non-farming activities which were done in the Palampur. Right? Shall we begin? Now, non-farming activities. Only 25% of the people of Palampur were working in agriculture. You may remember that not everybody had a piece of land. Some were landless, some had 2 hectares, some had 10. So what did other people do? Now they took up dairy farming. What is dairy farming? It's a common activity of many families where you rear sheep, cow, cattle. The surplus milk is sold in the nearby market of Raiganj. So this question is for 3 marks. Explain the non-farming activities of village Palampur. Second is small scale manufacturing. Less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing industries. They follow very simple production methods and carried out mostly at home with the help of family members. Rarely they used any labors. What is small scale manufacturing? Very small, right? It can be done with the help of your family members. That can be in the modern times. If I give you example, maybe pickle industry, making pickles, papad, incense sticks. These all can be done in the home with the help of your family members. The third one is shopkeeping. Shopkeeping is obviously very little people involved in exchange of goods in Palampur. The traders or shopkeepers who buy goods from somewhere else and they sell a variety of items. What is shopkeeping? You would be selling goods to the people. Okay, let all the text come. All right. Shopkeepers, obviously, no doubt in it. Fourth one is transport. What is transport? There are variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj, like rickshaw, tongas, jeep, tractors, truck. They are all used by the villagers, and what they do, they take people from one place to another. You need to go from one place to another place. You might need transport. So these four are used as non-farming activities, right? Remember from the beginning, I'll just go because it's a very important one. Dairy farming, small scale manufacturing. The spelling is wrong here. Small scale manufacturing. Third one, shopkeeping. Fourth one, transport. Now let's summarize. Now, beginning. Farming is the main production activity in Palampur. Many changes in farming are practiced. This helped them to produce more crops. The land is fixed, but the pressure is more on the land. So how are they doing it? Multiple cropping, modern farming. Yeah, about this I have already dealt in another video. New farming need less land but more capital. 80% of them are small farmers. They have no capital and less production. If they want capital, I told you what would they do? They would go ask for money with the small farmers, or they would sell their excess, that is surplus. They have to do additional works to feed themselves. Labor is abundant but not following new methods of farming, so they migrate from one place to another. Non-farming sector is not large. Some people only are managing it. The capital for that is not available. Capital for non-farming activity is not available. In a nutshell, I think I have finished the non-farming activities. Non-farming sector is not very large. 24 out of 100 are only engaged in that. Lack of capital is the problem I told you. They are depending upon money lenders. Lack of market is another limitation. they are depending on other places like many items. Raiganj was example. If the village can be connected to towns with good roads, transport, telephone, it is possible that the production of every village can be increased if it has good roads and transport facilities. This is just pictures of wheat fields and the cultivation of wheat. Sugarcane, you might have read about sugarcane in the village of Palampur. And that brings to the end of the chapter. There's a very small video for the non-farming activities. Now we will end it here. Now the explanation for the whole chapter from the beginning to the end will be a YouTube live. I hope you will be tuning in for the YouTube live in the days to come. So till then, guys, take care, stay safe, and stay happy.